We're an asphalt manufacturing business. We mainly serve the ex-works market, so the small collect market. So we started our business in 2018. We started with the site in Newport in South Wales. We set up our second plant in 2022 in Stanton in the East Midlands. And last year we started our third plant in Trafford in Greater Manchester. Our customers come back to us time and time again. We don't see ourselves as selling asphalt. What we believe we sell is time. So the quick turnaround times that we offer, the ease of dealing with us, the rapid response that a customer gets when they have an issue or a problem. We pride ourselves on delivering time to the customer, and that's valuable to anyone. But when we started the business, we needed a solution for our Weighbridge software. We had previously come across Weighsoft from other people in our sector. The feedback had been very good. So we considered the options prior to going with Weighsoft, but the demonstration we had, it seemed to suit our needs and what we wanted. We wanted to be a business that were efficient, time-saving, and we felt that the software fitted that need. So we found a streamlined bit of kit through Weighsoft that allowed us to capture the weights, send the invoices to the customers, and ultimately get paid, which was very important for us as a new entity. We are able to keep close eye on KPIs using the Weighsoft software. We track the volumes that we've sold, the selling prices, our margins. There's a lot of reporting functionality within the software as well that we use to analyse customer trends and site trends. As now that we have more than one site, we can compare and contrast against each site. So we also have adopted Weighsoft Go. Although we're primarily a collect business, we also do small deliveries. It was important to us to be able to capture everything on site away from our locations. So when the drivers go out, we didn't want them to be taking paperwork that could be lost. So we adopted the Weighsoft Go app, and that allows us to do everything paperless. So we instantly know as well how long the driver's been held on site, which actually helps us then deliver better service to the next customer. So in addition to that, our drivers also prefer using this sort of system now. It's proven that they don't have to worry about paperwork that can get lost, damaged, and obviously they get the signature. They can't complete the job or leave site until they have the signatures. So things like that aren't forgotten anymore. So from the driver's perspective, it's actually much easier than the old traditional way. We've got integrations now between Weighsoft and those other bits of software to transfer information from those different systems so that we can get better accuracy, better efficiency and better reporting. So the other Access products that we're currently using are Access Financials, Access Fathom, which is for our forecasting and cash flow. We have Access Capture. We actually feel that we've probably saved on an additional person by adopting these new systems. So we made the switch on our Weighsoft software from a server hosted environment where everything was held on our own site, on our own server. We switched quite recently to a cloud-based hosting. This presented a lot of opportunities. We didn't have the risks involved with the data security of having to keep all that data on site. We also had the reassurance by hosting it in the cloud that if there was anything to happen with our server, that all that information would be backed up. Access Evo has allowed us to bring everything together. All our software, whether that's Weighsoft, Financials, we're able to create dashboards in Evo that allow us to look at all the different parts of the system at once. We absolutely would and have recommended Weighsoft and Access Financials to other people within our industry. We certainly would not hesitate to do that again in future. The future for the business looks very bright. We are looking to expand to other areas. We hope to have a fourth site operational within the next 24 months, and Access will be integral to that. The software that we use is already built into our system, it's built into our processes, so it'll be very important going into the future.